What's up, guys? Spencer here. About to rip some big fish real quick. He doesn't catch fish. You might know that from my YouTube channel. He just likes to cross my line like a dumbass. Got to this little spot right here. Let's try and get on a fish. See what we can do. Got one. Got her. Oh, she's a pickerel. I'm guessing that the fish from that other pond came down here. Because that pond had a lot of pickerel. But, come back here. I don't like pickerel, man. I really don't. I don't like you. What? Yeah, you better let yourself go, boy. They're so disgusting. You guys want to see the release? He's gone. I have never caught a pickerel out here, but that is definitely a pickerel. Came here last week, caught 5 fish out of here, no pickerel. That would explain the weird blow up I had before, though. But let's get on a real fish now that we want. Yep, I don't count those as real fish.
Sure you're able to do that?
Huh?
There's a lot of deer shit out here.
Yeah, I know. Your ass.
No, because they missed.
No, because your ass.
Did you not watch them?
Yeah, I watched them.
They were all like 2 inches behind the frog.
Ass. I have a fish. Oh, hey, that pickerel's bigger than any bass we've caught in the past 3 weeks. That was a hard fighting pickerel. Wasn't its first time. Yeah, I know what you guys are thinking. This pond looks ass. There's actually...
Pretty good.
It's actually pretty good. Last week I casted here and I caught a fish. Well, I actually didn't catch it. I forgot to set the hook. We don't talk about that. But shut up. But I cast her right out there and she bit as soon as it hit the water. So we're gonna try that again. See if anything good happens. True. I'm just gonna burn this in. Well, not burn it, but I'm just gonna kind of let her go. Up, she made wake. A fish went for it. A fish is following it. Maybe not anymore. Nope. Fishy decided not to. Look at how thick this pond is, guys. That's horrible. Up.
There's a whole ass creek I gotta try and get over.
Yeah. Got one. She got hung up there, but I got her. Ugh. She ain't too big. She ain't too small. She's cute though. She is a very beautiful fish, if we're being honest. Very beautiful fish. You gotta see it. Watch the release. Ugh. That water is disgusting. Hey Jack, how many fish have you caught today? As I said in my YouTube channel, he doesn't catch fish. He's just here for the experience. He likes to look at the fish. He doesn't really like to set the hook through their mouth. Jack, what are you doing?
Looking for my frog. Can you see it?
No.
Can you look?
Watch, I'll probably catch your line in a minute.
Can you look for it?
No.
Because I really don't want to leave this in that pond and have a fish.
Got one. Boat flipping hogs. Cute fish, honestly, to be honest. Totally tubular. The fish in this pond are like extremely dark. Most places in Delaware, the fish like aren't that dark. They're like pretty straightforward.
Well, it's because they don't get any sunlight.
Not too big. Probably about a half pounder. See you, bud. Pleasure doing business with you. Should probably stop bat flipping my rod. Probably not safe. The hell? What happened here? There we go. Alright. Good shit. Jack, your frog is not all the way over there. Okay. Alright. See, if I throw it to there, there might be a fish. Or just out throw it by like a mile. That's fine too. There might be a fish there too. You never know. You never know. Fish are weird. Especially in Delaware. So are the people. This is a very weird child coming up to my left. Very weird child.
I just came back this way because the other way was a little wet.
Oh. Oh, he bit. He definitely bit. Alright, let's go to the other side of the pond. Might get better luck over there. Maybe the fish are less smart over there. I don't know, but we'll see. Caught a, in the center of the pond, I threw a jerk bait. Yeah, last time I was here. She just ripped it as soon as it hit the water, but I ain't having any luck with it after that. Why is there a stream right here? A stream. Oh, it's wet. Oh, God. My feet are cold. My feet are freezing. Oh, that's a cast. My shoes are a little bit muddy, as you can see.
Your shoes wet?
Yeah. Yeah, they are. Let's go off this way a little. Why is it so wet on this side? Might be time to go back to the other side. Just maybe. I'm not sure. Try to hit the spot right next to where I was before. Try to catch a hog. Hey Jack, have you caught a fish yet? Okay. Just checking.
Working on it.
Oh, are you? I think we should go back to the other pond. Because it definitely got less active.
Let me just rip this monster.
Oh, Jesus! That's the biggest fish I've ever caught in here. He just picked it up right then. Calm down, bud. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down, bud. Calm down. Let me see, bud. Look at her. She's big. Not really, but it's the biggest one we've caught in here. Jack, I was pulling the bait out of the water. It jumped up and grabbed it. That's crazy. There's the release, guys. Go, bud. Go. Go. There you go. Well, that's 3 bass and a pickerel for me.
See a cat over there.
Nothing for Jack. Poor boy. Can't catch a fish. You can check out his YouTube in my recommended YouTube or in my recommended YouTuber box on YouTube. It says what does it say, Jack? It says I think it's labeled guys who can't catch fish, and only his YouTube channel is listed there. Yeah. So if you guys want to give him a follow, give him a follow. He's definitely not taking this as serious as I am because he can't catch fish. Demonetized, yay! Good job.
Hey, you'll figure out how to deal with it.
Okay. Yeah, so since I caught a 3-pounder.
3-pounder?
Yeah.
3-pounder.
3-pounders.
Always ripping 3-pounders, you know?
Alright, let's hit it right next to Jack.
Can you try and catch my frog for me?
No, I'm good.
For real?
You lost it again?
Yeah, it pulled my knot.
You're dumb. Like one bit?
No.
What?
Middle of the cast. Frog flew up.
I think that you need to learn how to tie a knot.
I'm tying a whole ass Palomar.
Well, maybe you should tie better.
Bug's out.
You want to go to the other pond? Like the regular pond?
Our pond?
Yeah.
I'm down.
This is Spencer here from 302 Fishing. Go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe. Click the notification bell because subscribing doesn't work anymore. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.